This is a brief video overview of dissection of the article. Academic or scholarly articles tend to have a formal structure. This will help you identify what is a scholarly article in your research. It begins with the title. The title likely contains the research questions, very specific. Next comes the authors. The order can reflect significance of contribution or may be alphabetical. Numbers correspond to affiliation, such as 1 Tennessee State University. Let me scroll down. Next comes the abstract, a summary of what was studied and often a brief statement about results, followed by keywords assigned by authors or the editors. These identify the topic and can help you in constructing a better search for more articles. Next comes the introduction. This contains background about major theories, models, or past research that inform the design of the current study. Then we begin with the methods. This describes how the research was conducted. The results section. Who was studied and the data collected and analyzed during the research is presented here. There will likely be charts or graphs or figures. The discussion section identifies limitations of the study and examines the meaning of results. Finally, the conclusion. This articulates the important lessons from the research. There are often suggestions for new research. At the very end of these articles, you will find the references section, other scholarship used in forming this research.